Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and just home button in order to continue. Now go into Devices Settings and choose Apps and Notifications. Over here you need to click on Default Apps and now select one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I will go with Browser, click on Opera and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!